That's a good one. Look at that thing. Get that thing in the boat. I'll lean on this side.
Oh my god!
Look at that thing, dude.
There's a scale. There's a scale under your feet.
It's up. It's up.
There's another one back there too.
Hang on.
Actually, there's two. Actually.
I got you. I'm about to take this seat right out and throw it out.
I need those pliers too.
Pliers. Ow, my toes! It's so chaotic. Hang on. Scale is zeroed out.
Chunky.
Do a smile. Here you go. Put them on there and do a smile. You ready? Yeah, that's a good fish.
Thing only says 2 pounds.
Yeah. It probably takes 2 pounds to get the scale moving.
Especially that one.
Yeah, it's all old and rusty. Yeah, that's the one we need. We need to keep that out.
But the batteries are dead.
Of course.
Knew it. Alright, see you later, lady.
Oh, there you go. Just estimated 3 pounds.
That thing's more than that.
I
That's
know.
like 5 pounds.
Yeah. That's a good one. He's back to...
That was good. That was good.